Princess over here laying on a towel when she got a bed right over there. I don't know why she laying on a towel like a Riri. Princess, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. What you doing laying over there on that towel? Hey. Get in your bed. That is not your bed. That's a towel.